Another feature that I left out of the first video, surprisingly, is the support for Canadian phone numbers. Now you can buy Canadian phone numbers and they will work with all the features of the plugin, and they support SMS. You can use them with clients and everything. So now there's two ways to get a phone number. If you've seen previous videos, one is under SMS lists and phone numbers. This will add a phone number to your main Twilio account, and if you know a area code, you can type that in. Otherwise, you can select just select Canada as the country and hit search, and it will return whatever results, the top 20 or so results for Canadian phone numbers. Now, another feature that's been added is you can try to narrow your search by certain digits or even letters that correspond to digits. So, for example, let's say we wanted a number with some zeros in it. I could put 3 zeros and let's see what comes up. Okay, so we have 3 zeros. They're not; these aren't on the end, but they're in the middle here. 3 zeros. You can also use a wild card. This one I haven't quite figured out, but if you hit some wild cards in there, this asterisk symbol, that will give you different results. You have to play around with it a bit, but let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that. I've got like 8 asterisks and 2 zeros on the end. So we're getting closer. There we go. There's one with them on the end. Here's a couple with the 0. So if you wanted something like 0, 100 is kind of a cool number. You can also search within an area code. So if I typed in, for example, 418 with the 418 area code, and I want these zeros included, you could do something like that and see what your results are. You can delete these. You just kind of have to play around with this. But so we see here's a bunch, and the 418 was zeros. Another thing you can do is, let's say you wanted something with SMS in it. SMS. You could do a search, and let's see if we get anything. I'm not sure what we might have. And there's one. I think it's the 767 is. And that's kind of cool because it'd be 6 SMS. I believe that's where the SMS is showing up. Of course, you could search this. This also works in the United States. So you can do a search for SMS, an SMS number in the US. See if we get anything back. And you can see we've got quite a few here. The 676 numbers, or it's the 767. Sorry. You could try something like text and see what we get. Okay, so text corresponds to the digits 8398 on the phone. So you see that we have an 83981 and the area starting in the area code 8398. So you could try playing with the asterisks and maybe see if you can get. Here's one that has 8398 in the last 4. So just play around with that. You can narrow it down, of course, by see if there's something in your own area code. So this one's pretty cool. This is actually in my area code, 359-8398, or you could say 359 text. So I'm actually going to go ahead and grab this one, and I'll save it to my account. Alright, done. Okay, now these functions all work the same way from the client, because you can also go to an SMS client and buy and manage phone numbers that way. So I can click on my client and show you basically the same form. So down at the bottom here we have the area code contains and the country. So again, you can search by area code. You can enter the numbers or text you're looking for, and search here, and those results will be populated here as well. So I could buy this number for this client. It'd be assigned directly to this client right now. Okay, so those are the new features with Canadian numbers, as well as an enhanced search function for buying phone numbers.